this series, I'm going to be completely rebuilding this 1980 Trans Am. The engine developed a really bad oil leak, so I'm going to be pulling the engine, putting a new pan gasket on. I'm also going to be rebuilding the carburetor. Alright, I got everything disconnected here. It's ready to pull out. So this is where that oil pan gasket blew out. So I'm not sure how that happens. This side too, front and the back, all chewed up. And then the sides here. Is that just from a cheap gasket, or is that, what causes that? I just replaced this seal a couple years ago, so I got a better one now. Hopefully it'll last longer. So I went with the one-piece Velcro gasket. Heard pretty good things about it. So we'll see how it goes. All right, I got the engine back in. Now let's get everything hooked back up. All right, I got it all back together. Just fill the fluids, and then we'll check, see if the oil leak's fixed. This is gonna take a while. All right, let's get to that carburetor. So this carburetor was in a shop fire and it hasn't been rebuilt since. So I'm gonna put a carb kit in it today. Hopefully that'll help with the issues that it's having. Oh yeah, that's super dirty in there. It's all corroded or something. And so this float is actually filling up with fuel. You see there's a little crack right there. So I'm going to try to solder that back together because there's actually fuel inside here. it's looking pretty rusty and dirty. In the future videos, I'm going to be painting my car black, changing my interior to black, changing out the wheels, and doing a bunch of mechanical repairs to it as well. So stick around, subscribe, and like the video if you want to see more content. Thanks for watching.